Hello everyone, it's Frances from Your Book of Memories. I'm so excited! I've got a brand new project! Okay, so I used the gorgeous, super fun and cute paper by Photoplay. It's called We Bought a Zoo. Super cute paper line, amazing double-sided papers, right? And it came with the 12 by 12 cardstock sticker sheet and all of this stuff. I mean, we got seam binding in blue, black, and brown. We've got this super cute paw print sheer ribbon that's about 2 inches wide. And oh my gosh, all this stuff can be purchased on countrycraftcreations.com, so it's super awesome. Their shipping, by the way, I'm sorry I have to say it again, it's amazingly fast, okay? Let's just put it that way. So here, it's a new design. So I call this my animal style folio, which is 8 inches by 10 inches with a 1 1/4 spine. It holds about 60 photos and it's so interactive and fun. Oh my gosh. And I have a tutorial on how to make this entire book, start to finish, on my channel already. So I'll leave it as a link down below, okay? As well as the link to Tamara's store. ccc.com, okay? No, it's actually countrycraftcreations.com, but for short, it's CCC. Most of you out there have heard of it by now, so awesome. Right here on the front cover, I mounted this since I ran out of dimensional foam tape on a piece of chipboard. So I've got black back here and then the white, and then I matted with this super cute zoo animal paper. Came back with one of those stickers, another sticker here popped up, and then that super cute sticker right here, I fussy cut around it and then mounted it like this. That way there's a place for the photo to be tucked behind there, okay? So that's super cute. You can even just leave it as it is, honestly, because it's so adorable. Okay, right here I just added some cotton twine. I just got that out of my stash. And then I added a little border strip right here out of the sticker sheet. And then this, I wrapped my cover wrap in. So I tucked that under that paper. This is just some black seam binding right there. Adorable. And then we've got this awesome paw print sheer ribbon right here. And then here on the spine, I wanted to keep it pretty plain. I don't know if you can see, but I just made a couple knots out of that cotton twine. Okay, I had to. Keep it really simple because it's pretty busy. And then right here is the back. Oh my gosh, I love it. Added another sticker down here, Zoo Crew. Super cute. All those cool little patterns. So when you open this up, oh my gosh, it's so much fun. Perfect for, like, you know, going out at the zoo with your kids and stuff. It's just perfect for that. So here's another sticker. I've got an on-page pocket right here. So I've got a bunch of tags, right? Wonderful spots for journaling. Oh my goodness. Added some seam binding at the top of that. Tie a little knot. I don't know, I was kind of like in a knot type of mood the day I was making this. Super cute. We also used the basic snap right here for this wood grain. So this was separate, which you also can get on countrycraftcreations.com. Love the plaid. I made a cute little envelope closure right here, the magnetic closure. And then you have a couple tags in here. You can even store more 4x6 photos in here. So you could even get probably up to 80 photos to hang out in this album. Super awesome for your trip to the zoo. Okay, so photo, of course, tucks under there. Love the little monkeys. I'm gonna slide this over because this pulls out. Places for photos right here. And right here. Oh my gosh, isn't that so cute? And it's a magnetic closure too, so it's like a hidden little flap. And then you put all the tags right back inside here. Oh my gosh, I love it. Love the zebra print right there too. And then I added some more of that coming through. And then over here, super cute little 4x3 cut apart. I added some twine. I went a little crazy right there. Added a couple stickers right here, and this pulls down. Another sticker right there. We've got a bunch of places for photos right here. I added this extra feature because I wanted to break up the designs a little bit and save paper. So, of course, more photo spaces. We know how many pictures we take when we're out and about with our kids. I mean, give me a break. Look at all this space. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. Look at all that. And that snaps closed, right? But that's not all, because this whole unit, I'm gonna pull on this little, look at this adorable ribbon right there. Pulls over and it reveals this. Oh my gosh, I know it's a little busy, but look how cute. I mean, you can't beat how cute this paper is. Adorable animal strips right here. And then we've got cute little stickers right here and here. Of course, I left it open, right? And this pulls to the right. Little envelope. Oh my gosh, we've got envelopes. Pop these little guys up, matted them on some white cardstock, some design paper, and then we've got some more photo mat spots here. Of course, you can tuck under there, and a little cute lion sticker. Oh my gosh, I love it. These open up, and there's some 4x6 and 3x4 cut-aparts in here. Adorable. And I show you how to make these little notches, how to mat, everything. Super cute little, I added these little seam binding pull tabs right there. Oh, look at this one. The little sloth. How cute is that? Great picture space on the back of there. And of course you can fit even more than I have in these pockets right here. So you could even stretch it out to 90 photos even if you wanted to. Okay, photo spot here, tuck under the little banner. Adorable 3x4 cut apart. You open this up, another sticker right here. Super cute little waterfall right here. Something quick. Adorable, oh my gosh. Oh, and you can even add like a little picture right here if you wanted. Right on the back of that band. And then this opens to the right. We've got more picture space here, a couple more stickers. Of course, tucking under there. A day at the zoo sticker, a couple leaf stickers, and then I made these really cool envelope punch board file type pockets. A little design there. Tucked some twine in the or right there in that little hole at the top of the tags. Why not, right? It's so cute. Some more of that wood grain paper from Snap Basics. Unbelievable. Went perfect with this paper line, Tamara. Great job. Hey, tiger, roar. Oh my gosh, stop. Oh, and she did also add the authentique, some of those patterns, okay? So the really tight knit patterns, so you can almost use them as a solid, but it's got a little bit more going on, so it's more interesting. But that's the ginger snap, and then we have green in here somewhere. And also, I don't think I used the chocolate, the hot cocoa brown, but you could absolutely get those from Country Craft Creations too. Oh my gosh, all this paper goes together perfect. Look at the oranges coming together, I love it. So this closes up, and then you've got picture space right here. Okay, and you can mount some photos on the back of that. Adorable, oh my gosh. Isn't that cute? These all tuck back in here. And of course the journaling lines during the tutorial are totally optional, but I just love how they make it look. And I show you how to put those magnets on just right, another sticker right here. And I think I talked about everything. Anyways, thanks guys so much for watching. This is what I created using We Bought a Zoo by Photoplay. And you can purchase this on countrycraftcreations.com. I mean, look how cute. I'll leave the tutorial down below. Thanks guys so much for watching. Bye!